Video shows strong wind lifts Turkish man holding umbrella up in air. A video has surfaced online, showing a man being lifted several feet into the air while trying to hold down a patio umbrella during a storm in southern Turkey this week, while other people also tried to stop the umbrella from flying. The man went on to step on the umbrella's base. He jumped off the umbrella's base later. US-made rifle used by Pak Army recovered from GEM terrorists in J&K. A US-made M4 rifle used by Pakistani Army has been seized from two top Jaish-e-Mohammed terrorists who were killed by security forces during an encounter in J&K's Budgam district on Friday. The two GEM operatives are suspected to be Pakistani nationals. Reportedly, this is the second M4 carbine seized in the valley in the last 6 months. Indian couple stabbed near Germany's Munich. Man dead. Wife stable. External Affairs Minister Sushma Swaraj on Saturday tweeted that an Indian man named Prashant was stabbed to death by an immigrant, while his wife Smita Basarur sustained injuries near Germany's Munich. Swaraj offered her condolences and added, "We're facilitating the travel of Prashant's brother to Germany." She also asked Indian mission in Germany to take care of their 2 children. India backs UN move on terror funding. Criticizes serial offender. India's permanent representative to UN, Syed Akbaruddin, today welcomed UNSC's resolution to combat terror funding and called for its proper implementation. However, he claimed terrorists will be more creative in finding ways to violate the rulebook, adding, "States which are apologists will continue to provide alibis to justify their actions and inactions, as was done by a serial offender." India's SAT test, a result of US destroying arms control Russia after India's successful anti-satellite missile test. Russia said, "We have to state that this action of India has been largely the result of the substantially degraded situation in the field of arms control. US reluctance to abandon plans for deploying weapons in space prompt other states to show their power in the same field," the nation stated.